And since we're already done cleaning the PC, last thing you want to do now is put back all the stuff we just took out. So over here, I just put back the fan of the CPU over here. So I'm just gonna tighten some screws around here, and make sure that whatever stuff you take out or whatever plug you take out, always remember or at least mark it so that you know where to put it back. Okay, right here I'm putting back the cage for the hard drive. Just tightening the screws a little bit. One more screw to go underneath. Okay, make sure you remember the plugs. This is the plug for the fan of the hard drive, which I'm going to plug it in, back in. Okay, and right over here, we got the plug for the hard drive. Plug it back here, power plug, and this wire over here. There we go. Okay, and then, last but not least, the video card we took out earlier. Okay, now make sure when you install the video card back, make sure it sits properly in the slot. Otherwise, if it's loose, you're not going to have any picture when you start up the PC. Okay, and then here's the power plug, which I took out earlier. Plug it right back in. And then you're done. All you gotta do is slide this panel back in. Like that. Make sure it locks. Oh, one more thing. Make sure the slots here go in the slots over here. But it all depends on the kind of case you have on the PC. Slide it back in. Screw the case. Screw the panel back on here on the side, or the back side. There you go. And that's it. There you have it.